everyone. So in the previous session we saw how we can use extension generator to import the custom object. So in this session we will see how we can use extension generator to add the panel and subview also. So here let's take an example. So we have one custom object, claim management, right? So what we will do, we will create a relationship 1:m between the account and the claim management. After that, what we will do on the account object, we will add the claim management panel. Obviously, there has to be a relationship, so it will same like behave like the subtab that was there in the simplified UI. So let me create a relationship quickly. Click create. For subject account, target object claims management. So let's give it a name. Let's click save and close. So now relationship is created. Let's go to our extension generator. Common setup CX extension generator. Okay, if you remember in the previous session, we have already added two custom objects, so we cannot use the create new extension, otherwise it will override our changes. So what we will do, let's open our workspace and project and export our changes. Same like we did in the previous session. So let's navigate to our project. Let's navigate to our workspace. If you remember, we already imported these two custom objects. So let's click on the export. Okay, now export is success. So now let's click on the import extensions. Now let's click on the import. Now what we have to do, we have to add one more object. What we will add? We will add the accounts. Okay, and click add. Now what we want, when you click on the drill down to account, here we will see, so there is an option to configure panel. So all the child objects or the one stem relationship object should show here. So let's see our claim management. See, claim management is here and create subview for each panel. So it will create a panel also and it will create a subview also for us. So let's see the smart actions also. So what it will do, action generator will create smart actions also. So here you see add claim management, it is adding, create claim management, it is adding, also delete claim management, it is adding. So all the three smart action it will add for you. For example, you don't want to use the create smart claims. So for example, you don't want to create from the account smart action. So you can skip this one. So let's add these all and click update. So smart actions are updated now. So click on all objects and click on generate extensions. Now if you see the extension that you import in the Visibility Studio is ready and global actions are also created. So now let's go here and click on the import. There is custom. Let's click on the custom and let's import that file. Okay, so if you see resource imported successfully into application testing. So now let's add the panel. So where we will add on the account object. So expand the customer experience sales and CX sales. Go to accounts and let's open the list view. Okay, so we have this account, so let's drill down to this one only. So as of now, if you see, like for detail page is loaded, but we cannot see claim management in the panels, right? So what we will do, we will click on the panel container layout on the right side. You can see, right? Click here. So in the section, you can see there is claim management also, right? So now what you will do, you that let's go to the rules. So currently my job role is sales administrator. So for sales administrator, these are the available sections. So what I will do, let's duplicate this one. And what we will do from available section. So these are the sections included and these are available. So from the available, let's select the claim management. Click on the plus, add section. So now for sales administrator, what will happen? Claim management should also be available. So let's drag it up. I don't want it in the last. So it's on the third now. So now let's close it. Now you can see claim management, right? So currently there is no claim management. So let's create one. So if you remember, I told you like Oracle also created three smart actions for us. Create a smart action, delete a smart action, and also the add a smart action. So that's why these smart actions are available for us. I will click create. So let me refresh this page. So now our first step is already completed. We can see the panel. Okay. Now we have created a record also. So now it should show the data also on our panel. See, data is also available, correct? So when you click on the view all, you see the data in the subview. So let's see. So how to configure the panel layout or the subview layout that we have already discussed. So now we are just discussing how to add them. So if I click on view all, I cannot see anything because what I added this section onto the panel, but subview part I haven't done yet. So what I will do, so just close the panel container layout and click on the subview container layout. Here you can see, right? So these are the available sections. So you can see here. So currently for subview there is no rule set defined, right? That's why you can see all the details here only. So what I will click on the plus here, add section. So when you are clicking plus, what is happening at the back end? Click on the code. What Oracle is doing? Oracle is creating a complete code for you. So we are using a CX panel fragment. We are using subview fragment, and it is doing all your changes. So getting the data, defining the values, everything it is doing. So extension generator will do everything for you. You don't need to make any changes in the query, mapping, nothing. You don't need to do anything. So now let's click on the live. Let me refresh this page as we have done changes on the panel and subview both. So now our page is loaded. So now we can see the panel also for claim management. If we click on view all, So now we can see the data in the subview also because we have added the subview section also into the subview container layout. So that's how you can configure the panel in the subview for the related objects. And you can configure the data within the panel layout and also in the subview layout that we already discussed in the previous sessions. Hope that one is clear. Thanks for joining. See you in the next session. Bye.